Enjoy English learning.
Can you run fast?
Yes, I can.
Can you run fast?
Yes, I can.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Do you drink milk daily?
Yes, I do.
Do you drink milk daily?
Yes, I do.
Are your hands cold?
Yes, a little.
Are your hands cold?
Yes, a little.
Do you like playing football?
Yes, it's fun.
Do you like playing football?
Yes, it's fun.
Can you jump high?
Yes, I can.
Can you jump high?
Yes, I can.
Do you sleep early?
Sometimes I do.
Do you sleep early?
Sometimes I do.
Can you write with your left hand?
No, I use my right hand.
Can you write with your left hand?
No, I use my right hand.
Do you have long fingers?
Yes, I do.
Do you have long fingers?
Yes, I do.
Is your back straight?
Yes, it is.
Is your back straight?
Yes, it is.
Can you lift heavy things?
Yes, if they're not too heavy.
Can you lift heavy things?
Yes, if they're not too heavy.
Do you walk every day?
Yes, for exercise.
Do you walk every day?
Yes, for exercise.
Are your arms strong?
Yes, a little.
Are your arms strong?
Yes, a little.
Can you touch your toes?
Yes, I can.
Can you touch your toes?
Yes, I can.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I enjoy dancing.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I enjoy dancing.
Is your stomach full?
Yes, I just ate.
Is your stomach full?
Yes, I just ate.
Do you have small hands?
No, they are normal sized.
Do you have small hands?
No, they are normal sized.
Can you climb trees?
Yes, I can.
Can you climb trees?
Yes, I can.
Do you wear a watch?
Yes, on my wrist.
Do you wear a watch?
Yes, on my wrist.
Are your legs tired?
Yes, after running.
Are your legs tired?
Yes, after running.
Can you hold your breath for a minute?
Yes, I can.
Can you hold your breath for a minute?
Yes, I can.
Do you drink enough water?
Yes, I try to.
Do you drink enough water?
Yes, I try to.
Is your skin soft?
Yes, it is.
Is your skin soft?
Yes, it is.
Can you sit for long hours?
Yes, but it's tiring.
Can you sit for long hours?
Yes, but it's tiring.
Do you like to run in the morning?
Yes, it's refreshing.
Do you like to run in the morning?
Yes, it's refreshing.
Is your posture good?
Yes, I sit straight.
Is your posture good?
Yes, I sit straight.
Can you do push-ups?
Yes, a few.
Can you do push-ups?
Yes, a few.
Do you use sunscreen?
Yes, every day.
Do you use sunscreen?
Yes, every day.
Are your nails long?
No, they are short.
Are your nails long?
No, they are short.
Do you prefer hot or cold weather?
I prefer cold weather.
Do you prefer hot or cold weather?
I prefer cold weather.
Can you cook food?
Yes, I can.
Can you cook food?
Yes, I can.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do.
Is your heart beating fast?
Yes, after exercise.
Is your heart beating fast?
Yes, after exercise.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, mostly.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, mostly.
Is your room clean?
Yes, I keep it tidy.
Is your room clean?
Yes, I keep it tidy.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, very much.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, very much.
Can you drive a car?
No, not yet.
Can you drive a car?
No, not yet.
Do you have a pet?
No, I don't.
Do you have a pet?
No, I don't.
Is your bed comfortable?
Yes, it is.
Is your bed comfortable?
Yes, it is.
Do you listen to music daily?
Yes, I love music.
Do you listen to music daily?
Yes, I love music.
Can you carry heavy bags?
Yes, I can.
Can you carry heavy bags?
Yes, I can.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I enjoy them.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I enjoy them.
Is your home far from school?
No, it's near.
Is your home far from school?
No, it's near.
Do you wear socks at night?
No, I don't.
Do you wear socks at night?
No, I don't.
Can you run barefoot?
Yes, but not for long.
Can you run barefoot?
Yes, but not for long.
Do you eat vegetables?
Yes, every day.
Do you eat vegetables?
Yes, every day.
Is your phone battery full?
No, it's low.
Is your phone battery full?
No, it's low.
Do you drink tea?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you drink tea?
Yes, sometimes.
Can you play a musical instrument?
No, I can't.
Can you play a musical instrument?
No, I can't.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I do.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I do.
Is your water bottle full?
Yes, it is.
Is your water bottle full?
Yes, it is.
Do you carry a bag to school?
Yes, I do.
Do you carry a bag to school?
Yes, I do.
Can you run a mile?
Yes, but it's tiring.
Can you run a mile?
Yes, but it's tiring.
Do you enjoy long walks?
Yes, very much.
Do you enjoy long walks?
Yes, very much.
Is your handwriting neat?
Yes, it is.
Is your handwriting neat?
Yes, it is.
Do you prefer day or night?
I prefer the night.
Do you prefer day or night?
I prefer the night.
Can you stretch your legs?
Yes, I can.
Can you stretch your legs?
Yes, I can.
Do you wear a jacket in winter?
Yes, always.
Do you wear a jacket in winter?
Yes, always.
Is your chair comfortable?
Yes, it is.
Is your chair comfortable?
Yes, it is.
Do you like swimming in a pool?
Yes, I do.
Do you like swimming in a pool?
Yes, I do.
Can you balance on one leg?
Yes, for a few seconds.
Can you balance on one leg?
Yes, for a few seconds.
Do you have a water bottle?
Yes, I carry one.
Do you have a water bottle?
Yes, I carry one.
Is your bag heavy?
Yes, a little.
Is your bag heavy?
Yes, a little.
Do you drink fruit juice?
Yes, I love it.
Do you drink fruit juice?
Yes, I love it.
Can you jump over a fence?
No, I can't.
Can you jump over a fence?
No, I can't.
Do you wear shoes inside the house?
No, I don't.
Do you wear shoes inside the house?
No, I don't.
Is your closet organized?
Yes, I keep it clean.
Is your closet organized?
Yes, I keep it clean.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love it.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love it.
Can you touch your knees?
Yes, easily.
Can you touch your knees?
Yes, easily.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee.
Is your lunch ready?
Yes, it is.
Is your lunch ready?
Yes, it is.
Do you use a laptop?
Yes, for work.
Do you use a laptop?
Yes, for work.
Can you tie your shoelaces?
Yes, I can.
Can you tie your shoelaces?
Yes, I can.
Do you like winter?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Do you like winter?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Is your phone screen cracked?
No, it's fine.
Is your phone screen cracked?
No, it's fine.
Do you take a bath every day?
Yes, of course.
Do you take a bath every day?
Yes, of course.
Can you touch your toes without bending your knees?
No, I can't.
Can you touch your toes without bending your knees?
No, I can't.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I do.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I do.
Is your school far?
No, it's close.
Is your school far?
No, it's close.
Do you drink hot water?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you drink hot water?
Yes, sometimes.
Can you do a handstand?
No, I can't.
Can you do a handstand?
No, I can't.
Do you wear glasses?
No, I don't.
Do you wear glasses?
No, I don't.
Is your bookshelf full?
Yes, it is.
Is your bookshelf full?
Yes, it is.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
I prefer winter.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
I prefer winter.
Can you climb stairs quickly?
Yes, I can.
Can you climb stairs quickly?
Yes, I can.
Do you like cycling?
Yes, I do.
Do you like cycling?
Yes, I do.
Is your backpack heavy?
Yes, it is.
Is your backpack heavy?
Yes, it is.
Do you eat fast food?
Yes, sometimes.
Do you eat fast food?
Yes, sometimes.
Can you stand on one foot?
Yes, for a while.
Can you stand on one foot?
Yes, for a while.
Do you like soft pillows?
Yes, I do.
Do you like soft pillows?
Yes, I do.
Is your school bag new?
No, it's old.
Is your school bag new?
No, it's old.
Do you carry an umbrella in the rain?
Yes, I do.
Do you carry an umbrella in the rain?
Yes, I do.
Can you eat with chopsticks?
No, I can't.
Can you eat with chopsticks?
No, I can't.
Do you drink cold drinks in winter?
No, I don't.
Do you drink cold drinks in winter?
No, I don't.
Is your room big?
No, it's small.
Is your room big?
No, it's small.
Do you wear gloves in winter?
Yes, I do.
Do you wear gloves in winter?
Yes, I do.
Can you sit cross-legged?
Yes, I can.
Can you sit cross-legged?
Yes, I can.
Do you like warm blankets?
Yes, I love them.
Do you like warm blankets?
Yes, I love them.
Thanks for watching.